Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete role in Discord. So in this case, log into your Discord first, then choose one server. Then you can see here top of the server name. Click here and you'll find server settings. Go server settings and you'll find here roles. Click on roles. Now choose the role you want to delete it. This is your role, new role. This one. GG boys, or this one is bot, this one is bot, so bot can be deleted from here. So if you want to delete roles only, this role, any role, then you have to go to that specific role. Like I wanna delete this role, just right click on this and you'll find delete. Click on delete and okay, the role is deleted. Okay, so guys, if this is how you can delete roles. Another thing you can do is go here. If you want to kick any bot, just right click and you will find here kick acronym or kick any bots. This is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.